go out, fly, and be happy like a bird.
Drop him bomb.
You are a cheat. You a lie. You lazy. I lose money because of you. You are fired.
My Lord, I now have midlife crisis. I am going to transform. Here is extremely fun. Fly like a bird, be happy like a bird. Once upon a time, a galaxy far, far, far away.
You are a cheat. You a lie. You lazy. I lose money because of you. You are fired.
My Lord, I now have midlife crisis. Almost 50 years old. No job, no money, not qualified for EI. What should I do? Please answer me. Please help me. Amen.
Hi there. Hey there. Oh there. I'm your guardian angel. I'm here to answer your prayer. Midlife crisis, depression, all kinds of frustration, unhappiness, no problem. All you need is this. DJI Flight More Combo with motion control. This will transform you into a bird, flying high in the sky, pass through forests, gates, small passages. You will be nothing but happiness, enjoyment, and peace. Take this, go out, fly, and be happy like a bird.
Oh my Lord! My prayers are answered? Be happy like a bird? Really? I am going to transform. Crazy Superman here. Hamster number 7, drop him bomb. That's right, with DJI Neo, you will be able to fly like a bird, be happy like a bird. Let me show you guys around with the motion control. Here we go. This is my favorite park in the world. People on this planet call this place Edmund Park Community Center. Right here is my favorite giant water bucket. Whenever I'm riding my Segway, this is a very happy place. I roll through obstacles like this, going around, and just a ton of happiness. And right here is a tennis court. With tennis court, people play pickleball like this, as well as tennis. And right next to the tennis court, a basketball court, and some exercise area with different equipment. So, this park provides a very wonderful exercise open space for kids, family, people walking their dogs. Just a ton of fun. And if you come to the center of the park, there is a giant slide. For kids, family, playing here is extremely fun. As you can see, everything is very colorful. It's just unbelievably fun. And these are soft padded area, so when kids play, if they fall, they're not going to get injured. So with kids, you want them to climb, You want them to go up and down. It's just the way kids supposed to be. Okay, if we go to all the way to the end of the park, passing through this beautiful tree, you can see the Edmond Community Center. This place is a swimming pool. There's hot tub, there's jacuzzi, there's sauna room. It's perfect place to unwind after one stressful day of working. And at this open plaza, sometimes people come here to dance, sometimes people come here to play their RC remote car. It's really a ton of fun. And almost daily I go through these trails here because this is a shortcut for me. Whenever I'm going through to get grocery or to pick up lunch or pick up dinner, I walk through this walkway with my EUC. Sometimes I ride Segway, sometimes I ride EUC. And right here is a bathroom. And this is behind the bathroom. And recently they established this art exhibition center where different artists can come and talk, promote their art, and hosting different type of events. So it's really awesome. And here many people also come to barbecue because this gives you shade and chair and space. So many people come here to do their birthday party or all kinds of events can be hosted here. And it's a wonderful memory for many, many people. And here is another place where people can do barbecue and party. Okay, this here is incredibly amazing. In the springtime, when the flower open, this whole track become pink, and it's very, very beautiful. And in the summertime, it become green, and in the fall time, this road will become yellow. And now it's winter time, so everything becomes just like nothing, just the tree trunk. So right here in this area, I often see people play with their dog, playing soccer, and this park, this community center, just a very awesome place, wonderful, fantastic design. So it doesn't matter who you are, 2-year-old to 20-year-old to 99 years old or even 100 years old. You can come to this park and enjoy. Alright, it's crazy Superman here, hamster number 7, dropping bombs. Like this video, thumb up, comment. I will talk to you guys next time. Ciao.